Okay guys, what we have here is the transmission of Mercedes Benz E220. This is a manual transmission, and it's been removed to replace the pilot bearing which sits here on the flywheel. Now what the pilot bearing does is basically it aligns the shaft, the input shaft of the gearbox dead center as you engage the clutch. So it prevents this play over here, ensures that the shaft is dead center at the time of releasing the clutch, so that there is no shudder while accelerating, which is when this clutch plate over here comes between the pressure plate from the back and flywheel, this part over here from the front, which is precisely what was the problem with this car. During acceleration there was shudder, and once you leave the clutch the car runs perfectly fine. So this is off. Probably there's some play here in the pilot bearing and it's short, so we'll be replacing this so that there's no play when the clutch is engaged and we have a smoother drive.